Welcome back. It's now time for the business day. Effective today, DHL Shipping began the suspension of business-to-consumer shipments to the United States worth more than $800. While the company said this was temporary, it explained that the move was due to a significant increase in red tape at customs following the introduction of President Trump's tariffs. Previously, packages worth up to $2,500 could enter the U.S. with minimal paperwork. However, the threshold has been lowered due to more stringent customs checks. U.S. multi-million-dollar luxury development The Pinnacle in Montego Bay, St. James is expected to benefit from a new partnership with Accor Ennismore. The company is a world-renowned lifestyle hospitality organization.
Accor Ennismore has been on a mission to expand its operations in the Americas.
From an aspect of growth, very selective of where we go about growing the business. And with this opportunity with LCH and Jamaica as a whole, with its rich culture, this was the right entry point into this marketplace as the evolution of the luxury lifestyle part of the growth.
Essentially, the company curates and manages luxury properties and experiences in popular destinations around the world. At the Pinnacle in Montego Bay, St. James, it will operate the 28-floor hotel tower and manage the residences and luxury villas.
I'm excited about one further point of training and building the capacity of our people to provide high-end luxury offerings in the tourism space. And that's very, very important.
It is one from a lifestyle product standpoint, right? When we think about lifestyle hotels, we think about community.
Yes.
We think about community as it should be in addition to the community. It's not just a local business, but it's part of the community, whether it's incorporating new jobs, incorporating the lifestyle, which, bringing the community up as a whole.
When construction is completed, the Pinnacle will be home to Jamaica's only luxury branded residences. It is being built at a cost of $450 million by LCH Developments. According to Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, more investments in the luxury tourism market are coming.
We will have an announcement shortly about a mega development in Western Jamaica with high-end brands that equate to Accor and even at a higher end. And we have the Tavistock Harmony Cove project that is to come. And then we have the development in Lilliput Rose Hall area of Moon Palace Grand, which is at a higher level. What we are seeing is a new look at how Jamaica's tourism product is going to be in the future.
For the Business Day, I'm Anthony Lugg.